Hello everyone, I welcome you all in today's video. And if you guys, wanted to add some money on your PayPal and you don't know how to do it, this video is for you because I'll be showing you or teaching you how to add money to your PayPal account in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do, guys, of course, we need to go to the PayPal website and you can log in your account, guys. You know, here on your PayPal, but for me, I already log in my account. As you can see, I have a little balance here. So in order for us to add some money here, we can go to our to send a request here, and I want to request money to Kent, and I wanted to request a 100 or let's say 1,000 pesos, and let's say for allowance. Okay. So this is the one of the alternative. Um. Okay, let's click the request button. Okay. Okay, it says that your request. So if you're requesting that, okay, request a payment. Okay. So you requested from Kent. Okay, so we successfully request a money to Kent, and you just have to wait for him to accept that one. And the other step, guys, or is way to add some money on your PayPal. Okay, you can go to your e-wallet or into your bank account and transfer it some funds to your PayPal. So that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on PayPal. Thank you.